Hola, hola, hello, how is everybody? So here is another Halloween makeup look, and today we're gonna be doing an avatar from the movie Avatar. So we're gonna be all blue. This is why I have a tank top because we're doing all blue everywhere. Hoy, el look de hoy va a ser un avatar. Aquí está la foto. Here's the picture, you guys, and we're gonna try to recreate it and see what we can do. So I'm about to take off my glasses and put on some gray contacts and get your blue eyeshadow paints and everything. Let's get started. So I have my gray contact. Me puse mis contactos grises para que vaya más con el tema. Puse más cositas de Halloween. I put a little bit more Halloween stuff, little ghosts and stuff. They're super cute. I still need to get some lights or something. My hair, I'm gonna do it last because the hair is a big part of this look. Esta paleta de Crystal Cosmetics. We're gonna try this palette with the blue. You can use water activated paints. You can do, any type of other paints. I just don't have a lot besides this and the water activated. That's gonna work. So we're just doing our whole face. Sing that song. Boo, I'm a blue. I can be that in blue. So here I sped it up a little because this is kind of boring. Esto es muy aburrido, entonces lo hice más rápido. No es para que vean que me tapé toda la cara en el azul. Okay, so we're done with the base. I'm only doing up to here for pictures. So now we're gonna contour and highlight our face. So I'm gonna go with this teal color. The other blue was too dark, so we gotta highlight our face a little with this. Make sure it looks good. Make sure your under eyes. Este color lo vamos a usar como si fuera corrector. Casi los mismos pasos, pero en color. We're doing the same type of deal, but with colors. It's the best because it blends so good. Ooh. We're gonna be stained 4 days. Ooh. I like the way that looks. Okay. And agarrar una paleta que tenga colores azules. Now you're gonna get a palette that has blue colors from Crystal, also Crystal Cosmetics, and it's perfect because it's all blue and some white and light blue and dark blue. So this one is what we're gonna work with. Okay, I'm doing this as I go, so I'm kind of in and out. Now we're gonna add some white because I need it a little bit lighter here. So we're gonna add some white. Again, in the same places you added the teal. I need a little lighter. The avatar is a little lighter. And we're gonna do this eye on the other side. So I went ahead and speed this up also. Lo hice un poquito más rápido, nomás para que vean que es lo mismo que hice la vez pasada. Y ahora vamos a agregar lo más oscuro de los azules. Now we're going to add the darkest area of the blue, which is kind of like lines. This is what Avatar is kind of known for. So you just want to go with the flow, kind of contouring, and they kind of looking like tiger stripes, contouring the nose. And just adding it all over the face, just kind of like stripes coming out of your scalp. So yeah, and I'm gonna continue doing that, and then I'm also gonna be highlighting that with some white eyeshadow. As you can see right here, I went in with the white eyeshadow, and that's what I did to set the paint, because also you kind of want to set this paint because it is not gonna last if you don't set it. So I got the white eyeshadow and set under my eyes and all in between the dark blue shades, which worked out pretty well because it blended everything out and made it look a lot better than it did before. we're gonna do this eye on our lid. Our face is almost done, so now we're gonna do our eye makeup. We're just going in with the dark blue, the same one that went on the darker stuff. We're just gonna make kind of like a blue smoky eye. Like that. My favorite thing ever. These Juvia's Place liquid eyeshadows. This white. Look at it. Oh my god. It's gonna transform the blue shade. Wait for it. Do you see that? Whatever color you put under it, it makes it like so beautiful. It turned into a beautiful blue. I hope you guys can appreciate that. And now we're just gonna kind of blend it out. And we're good to go. Last part we need to put on here, besides we need to fix the nose and the lips, but you need white eyeliner to do white dots all over your face like this. It needs to be not too big, not too small dots. Now the nose, we're gonna paint it pink. I think I'm gonna paint it pink. I'm gonna add the pink on the nose. Ah, it looks so cute. Okay. We're gonna try to match the nose to my lips. So I think we're just gonna put the same. Okay. We're just doing the same color on the lip. Okay. I'm gonna do my hair, put some lashes, and I'll be okay. So we're done with this makeup look. This is the Avatar look. Super easy to do, and you can do it with anything, eyeshadow, paints, whatever you can find. Pop on some lashes, do some braids in your hair, and you're good to go. So I am so excited. You obviously, if you want to do your whole body or wear a blue shirt, I'm wearing, you know, strapless just so you don't see it because I'm going to take pictures. But I'm obsessed. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys, if you guys recreate, you know, tag me. I would love to see it. And I'm so excited. It looks cool, like more close with the white. I put like white freckles everywhere and I think it looks cool. So I hope you guys, I will see you on my next video. Bye.